Alright traders, I'm recording a trade that I took, and we can see that we have micro second entry long, which is also multiple tests because right now we have bullish trend, so we have bullish structure. You can see series of high highs and high lows, so my goal is to always locate a channel as a price action trader. Now you can see I have confirmations at the bottom and confirmations at the top, so I selected this via the channel. And right now I can see that the price action is corrected, taking its sweet time. So because I can see the EMA, the key entry point holding, and I'm combining it with another key entry point, which is the support, this is telling me that a lot of buyers are stepping into the market. With a downtrend working lower, attempt to create new extreme. I liked thinking about taking the second entry long here, but I dropped deep limit order. I wanted to scalp out before reaching these highs. My limit order didn't get filled, so I canceled it. And right now we have a setup that is a little bit lower at the lower portion of this more trend range, which is what I like more. So I'm combining the EMA with the support, overall bullish structure. The stop loss is very small, so I'm risking very little here. I'm scalping only for 6 ticks because the ATR is low and the market is very slow right now. Alright trader, and we just got out, so I'm gonna place the stop loss to break even. This is how I'm gonna manage this trade, because the scalp was the main portion and anything we make right now is going to be just a bonus, just a gravy. Why am I doing this and why am I managing my position like this? It is simple. I don't want to take myself out of the market in case the trend higher will continue. Okay, the high probability setup has a very high chance of success when it comes to scalp, but it also can produce significant move because I'm trying to buy when the correction phase will end and the brand new push phase will start. You can see we had large two-legged pullback down, and this is where the correction phase ended and the push phase started. So we had similar thing here. Correction phase ended, and I'm hoping a brand new push phase will start. Managing a runner is recommended when you can afford to trade more contracts, because at first you want to build your account slowly by scalping full. You can incorporate runner, let's say when you are trading 3 or 4 contracts, because your main portion is still supposed to be the scalp. So you can see price action working higher. I'm looking at the bottom, trying to find geometric formation confirmation so I can select the channel, because I want to make sure I understand the pattern in price action I'm trading. And I'm just reading pure candlesticks on the chart and I'm trying to decode what they will tell me. Like I said, it was a second entry long, which was very tempting, but this was just the first pullback. I tried my deep limit order and I canceled it. It would have worked anyway. Once we close lower at the lower part of this trend range, this is really what I want to see, because there's a lot of room to scalp before reaching these highs and you're buying low. And also the support continue holding so strongly with the EMA, the key entry point, and it looks like a visual to like a pullback. The risk was so small, we managed to get nice scalp. It is very beneficial for you to train your eyes to spot these two-legged pullbacks, because market tends to move in these two-legged pullback formations, and you're not only looking for second entry longs on the way up, okay, because we can see price action correcting to our key entry point. You can also look for second entry shorts, but you're looking for them to fail, because since the trend is up, the sellers are going to get trapped. So let's talk about this. We have a new low. We're working hard. This is the first break below this bar, and we have first entry short, pullback, second entry short failure. This is the second attempt by the sellers to reverse the market. And once market does something twice and it fails, the bears will throw in the towel, and this is a failed second entry short. Once again, small little support can give you additional confirmation. So hopefully we will manage this runner and market can continue working hard. And you can see how long the correction was. This is what I really like, because the support keeps being tested so many times, and once it closes this far down with such a great tier 1 signal bar confirming the bullish momentum, I took a quick little scalp here. Okay traders, our runner just got stopped.